Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I'm looking at the journal that's from Information Technology and Electrical Engineering Journal. The title is "The Need for Renewable Energy Source" by Umair Shahzad. Okay, I already read this journal and I make the presentation. I hope you all like it. Basically, I'm from mechanical engineering and master graduate. So I'm specialized at mechanical engineering. Okay, the need for renewable energy source. The urgent need for renewable source. We know that the population grow in global, so the demand for energy will be increased, of course, as the global population grows, and then Uh, this presentation explores the critical importance of transitioning to renewable energy source in the face of fossil fuel depletion and environmental concern. So we know that I hope in this presentation that get will get you information about the renewable energy and more concern about future to use renewable energy. Okay, energy is a fundamental need because we need energy to do something. Whether it's right or wrong, we need energy to do something. Of course, energy is growing demand because more population, more energy requirement for aspect of life. The cleanliness, choosing energy source required considering cleanliness, cost, stability, efficiency, and environmental aspect. So the more cleanliness about energy is more good. About the fossil fuel that we use, many industries still rely on fossil fuels, which are effective for power but unstable long term because fossil fuels has many defects. The fossil fuel, why we use it? Because we need it, the energy to better to do it our life. So fossil fuels, primarily hydrocarbons like coal, natural gas, and oil, is have unstable and polluting because fossil fuels are finite and release large amounts of harmful gases, notably carbon dioxide, upon burning. Rising sea levels because Arctic and Antarctic reach the higher sea levels, threatening floods and impacting agriculture. Of course, global warming. That we know that so many years that we have issue in global warming. CO2 is major contributor to global warming, rising planetary temperatures and endangering species. So this is dilemma. We need it, but uh, we must we must get the consequences. In the economic and environmental impacts, OPEC's influence. OPEC is a group of 12 countries control about 40% of global oil production, leading to price fluctuation. This monopoly impacts worldwide energy markets and economic stability. So the energy it depends too on economic, environmental impacts and politics. Pollution and disaster. Burning fuel release nitrogen and sulfur dioxide causing air pollution, smoke, and acid rain. Past incidents like coal mining disaster and oil spill has devastated ecosystem and claimed lives. So, like oil spills in disaster in Mexico, and so the pollution is very big. That's why unrenewable energy like oil, uh, coal, we must see the disadvantage. The imperative of renewable energy. Nah, we divide it into two groups of energy in major renewable and unrenewable. The difference is unrenewable is something that energy that we cannot create again. Unrenewable. Instead, renewable energy, we can do it. We can create it again. That's why renewable energy is limitless supply, because it's derived from an infinite source like wind, tidal energy, solar, and biomass. Cleaner environment, because lower negative environment impact compared to the conventional fossil fuel. Economic stability, because investment in renewable and primarily support local materials and personnel, reducing reliance on costly energy imports. So, based on geographical, let's say in Indonesia, we can use solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal, and biomass. Benefit of renewable energy is good, sustainable. Renewability is dependable on copious, offering long-term solution to energy needs. But this is not only the sustainable. This is still the majority big problem about renewable energy is they still cannot uh, cannot replace the unrenewable energy yet, because the volume is not big as unrenewable energy now. But as more as the technological, as more as inventions that we figure out, the scientists and engineering, we can probably replace the the unrenewable energy by step by step. Cost effective. Once established, renewable are potentially very cheap, yes, from fluctuating fossil costs, because not too much many political issue in renewable energy, and is easy to create based on the variety and categories. So it's cost effective. Job creation, of course, the growing renewable energy sector can attract investment and create numerous new jobs. And energy security, locally produced renewable energy is less vulnerable to distant political disturbance. So like we have so yeah, renewable energy have so many benefit that we must more spreads about this renewable energy, and more we must the renewable energy must continue to grow. So this benefit is continue to grow. So, the renewable energy source are diverse and offer various specifications like solar, harnessing sunlight for electricity and heating. We know the solar system if we see in our calculator, we see that solar panel installed on it. So we make a bigger one, install in the house or in the building or in the something in the road or something. So we get the energy more bigger than we need. Hopefully. Tidal, of course, from ocean tidals. Tides is always from tidal, not all, but in the some areas has tidals. Hydropower, yes, hydropower, generative electricity from flowing water. We need it. Wind, converting wind power into mechanical or electrical energy. Biomass, good biomass, geothermal. So these 6 renewable energy source is we can choose what is more compatible to us to create synergy in our country or our home or our school or our projects in university. Application in renewable energy, yes, if you see in this house, they have solar panels attached, installed in the up on the house, which may create energy. And then if we have another, you see, he use electrical car, he have a charge station in it. So application of this is the example of application of renewable energy. Some application of renewable energy, we can use wind turbines, geothermal heating, and biomass fuel. It's different whether you can or you cannot. So you must calculate them rightly. So you can choose the right decision to replace the fossil fuel energy. So shaping the future of energy is like the proper of use conversation of energy, shift to renewables. Of course, export advocate for renewable source due to their sustainable nature and economic benefits. Energy conversion, conservation, technological advancement, and hybrid vehicle. Hybrid vehicle must transition to energy solution as gasoline depletes. So hybrids is the hybrid vehicle now is more common, yeah, in in the world. Now we have like fuel. The car have uh, electric car. So electric car is the car that only use electricity to to move the powertrain. So solution for sustainable future is raise awareness. So we as engineers and scientists must initiate awareness program to promote alternative energy technologies. Educate reforms. Renewable energy course should be compulsory at all educational levels to force knowledge. So this is the types of educational forms. Policy change. So the policy must change due to the need of the energy. And then global collaboration, of course. If we do not collaboration, then we cannot get this more energy to get sustainable renewable energy. Okay, that's it. I hope this is will enrich your knowledge and do something more good, more good, more better to our society, to our environment, and to our future. Thank you for listening and see, enjoy. Goodbye.